Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. This video I'm going to show you how you can fix a corrupt file. So if you've ever taken your memory card out, put it into your PC and the last file is corrupt and you've lost all that great footage that you've just gone and got, this is a video to show you how you can recover that corrupt file. Usually it happens when you're using an ultra SD card. I recommend using the Extreme as a minimum. It just writes a lot faster to the card. The Ultra is a little bit slower. If you're using anything under than the Ultra SD card, you're only going to get about 10 seconds of footage because it'll just record 10-second bursts. So if you're using an Ultra and you've just switched off your drone without stopping the recording, that's going to cause a corrupt file. Same with the Extreme. It doesn't happen too many times because the Extreme is writing a little bit faster, but this is what you do to get your corrupt file fixed. You want to get your memory card, make sure your drone is off, insert the memory card into the drone until you hear it click into place, and then you're going to turn the drone on, press it once, press it twice, let it go through its little pre-flight check thing, and then you're going to leave the memory card in there for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So you haven't got to have your DJI app open on your phone. All you're doing is switching on the drone and leaving your memory card in there. And all it's going to do is fix that corrupt file. So basically, it remembers a cache of footage that needs to be written to that memory card. So leave it in there for about 1 minute. As soon as it's done, get your drone, press it once, press it twice, and keep your finger on it until it shuts down. And then take your memory card out, take it back to your PC, and that corrupt file should be fixed. Like I said, I recommend using an Extreme card as a minimum in the Dji Mavic Mini and any DJI drones. Remember, if you're new around here, I do make Fortnite videos. Please remember to subscribe and I shall get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.